Hi, I'm Justin from Decor Blinds and Curtains. Wanted to welcome you to our series of how-to videos, and today I'll be showing you how to take down and reinstall your vertical blind. Alright, so the first thing you want to do is open your blinds to the open position and push them all the way across. By grabbing the bottom of the stack, you'll be able to roll them up the window and just keep a nice loose roll all the way to the top. Once you get to the top, the blind slats will support themselves. You then lift them off the runner and let them drop down. At this point, you've taken down all your slats. We recommend that you label them so you know which window they came down from, and that you put them in a bag to keep them clean and safe. Alright, so now I'm going to show you how to take down your vertical blind track. If the track is really big, we recommend that you get someone else to help you with this, just to make sure you don't damage anything or hurt yourself. So while holding the track with one hand, put your fingers up behind the bracket. There is a spring release here. By pushing up and tilting the track will release. Continue to hold the track and then release the other remaining brackets on the track and lift the track down. At this point, we recommend that you put the wand up against the track and strap it gently to make sure it stays safe and secure in storage. So now we're going to reinstall and reclip in the vertical blind track. There's two parts to this to make sure that you get it right. Put the front portion of the bracket into the groove. Make sure that that part of the bracket is not on the bracket valance. By pushing the back of the track, you'll hear a click, and that bracket is secure. Continue to hold the track, make sure that the other brackets are seated as per the first one, and click again. Make sure that you get a click and a definite engagement of all the brackets before you move to the next step. So now you'll take your stored bundle of slats. We suggest that you keep them in the rounded formation, that way they won't have stayed crushed. Ensure that the track runners are sitting at 90 degrees in the open position. We'll then click each slat up individually. Now when you've clicked all your slats in, you'll then gently roll the bundle down to the finished position. Now we're going to check that your blind has smooth and free operation. Pull your wand across until you get to the other end. Tilt the louvers all the way across. Tilt them all the way the opposite direction. If any aren't aligned, continue to tilt and you'll hear a ratchet noise, which is realigning the runners. Your blind is now good to go.